Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different because I'm not at the shop today like I usually am with my other bike, and as you can already tell from the title of this video and the background behind me, that is my new, I guess, dream build bike frame that I want to start from the ground up. So let's take a closer look at it. For my dream build, I decided to go with the Forbidden Druid V2 frame. That's the details right there. And I went with the S3 or size large. And it's got the Rock Shocks Deluxe, Super Deluxe Ultimate. When I was looking for frames to get for my dream build and I came across this frame, I pretty much knew that this is the one I had to get. It's not the first color that I wanted, but seeing as to how it was sold out everywhere and hard to find, this is the only color and size available, which is fine. I still think it looks pretty good. I had the shop where I got it from pre-install the bottom bracket and the headset for me, so I got that out of the way. Don't mind the mess, guys. I still got a long ways to go. I want to take all these little bits off so I can clean it, and then I got the ride or frame protection right here. The frame protection will probably be in the next video. That pretty much wraps up this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Subscribe to the channel if you feel like this is something that you'd be interested in or want to see the progression of, and learn a lot along the way, I'm sure. Thank you guys all for watching, and see you guys on the next one.